Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set dark mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Click on display. Now click on dark. Dark mode will be immediately applied. If you would like to set custom dark mode, use dark mode settings, and here you can set turn on as scheduled. Turn on this button, and as per this schedule you can set a custom dark mode. You can also set sunset to sunrise. That means automatically sunset and sunrise timing will be followed by your phone, and at the time dark mode will be applied. Okay. If you select custom schedule, you can set a schedule of your choice. Click on set schedule, and you can set dark mode starting time and dark mode end time. This is start time. Here I just select 6 p.m. Okay, click on done. You can also set end time. So here I would like to end on next day morning 6:30. Okay, 6:30 a.m. So this is start time 6 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. next day. Okay. So what's the timing here? Schedule is 6 p.m. to next day 6:30 a.m. Between this time dark mode will be automatically applied. In this way you can easily set custom schedule also. If you would like to use instant dark mode, then you have to use this option only, and instantly dark mode will be applied. This mode will be useful for using your phone in low light or in night time. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.